finding the best electric can opener can make meal prep faster, safer, and more convenient. Whether you want a hands-free option, a compact design for small kitchens, or a heavy-duty model for large cans, today's top electric can openers offer smooth operation, clean cuts, and reliable performance. Here's a quick guide to the best options that bring ease and efficiency to your kitchen routine. Starting at number 1. Hamilton Beach Smooth Can Opener. The Hamilton Beach Smooth Touch Electric Automatic Can Opener, 76606AG, is designed for effortless, safe, and convenient can opening. It features a side-cutting blade that eliminates sharp edges, allowing lids to be safely handled or even reused to store leftovers. This automatic can opener easily handles both standard and pop-top cans with a simple one-hand push of the Easy Touch lever, making it ideal for those with limited hand strength or anyone seeking a quick, hassle-free operation. Its sleek black and chrome design complements any kitchen countertop, and its durable metal and plastic construction ensures reliable performance. While it is a bit tall and requires a nearby power outlet, the Hamilton Beach 76606AG remains one of the top-rated electric can openers in the U.S., known for smooth operation, safety, and convenience. Number 2. Cuisinart CCO50 BKN Can Opener. The Cuisinart Deluxe Electric Can Opener is a smooth, single-touch automatic opener with a precision power cut blade that effortlessly slices through cans of nearly any size. It features a sturdy, wide base and non-slip feet, so it stays stable and won't tip over while you're opening even heavy cans. A handy magnetic lid holder keeps the lid securely lifted off the can when cutting is done, reducing risk of cuts or spillage and making the process cleaner and safer. The activation lever is removable, which makes cleanup easier, a nice convenience if you open cans often or want to keep the opener hygienic. The unit is backed by a limited 3-year warranty, reflecting reasonable confidence in its build quality. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Can Opener. The Hamilton Beach Auto Shutoff Electric Can Opener combines convenience, safety, and versatility in one kitchen gadget. Thanks to its patented SureCut alignment, it reliably opens cans, often on the first try, and the automatic shutoff stops the cutting process as soon as the lid is removed, letting you free your hands quickly. Its extra-tall design accommodates cans of varying sizes, small to large, and a removable cutting unit makes cleanup easy. The unit also includes a built-in knife sharpener for extra kitchen utility, plus cord storage to help keep your countertop tidy. While many users praise its ease of use, broad can size compatibility, and added knife sharpening feature, a few note that the knife sharpener may not be very effective and that the mostly plastic build can feel less sturdy than all-metal alternatives. Number 4. Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Electric Can Opener. The Amazon Basics 3-in-1 Electric Can Opener is a versatile countertop tool that effortlessly opens standard-size cans with its strong stainless steel blade, automatically stopping when the cut is complete for a safe, hassle-free experience. Its magnetic lid holder prevents lids from falling, reducing mess and enhancing safety, while the wide non-slip base keeps the unit stable during use. Beyond can opening, this model also functions as a bottle opener and knife sharpener, offering convenient multi-purpose functionality. Ideal for those with limited hand strength or anyone seeking easy, one-button operation, it streamlines everyday kitchen tasks. Some users note that careful alignment is needed to start the can properly, and the built-in knife sharpener is best for quick touch-ups rather than heavy-duty sharpening, but overall, it is a practical and budget-friendly addition to any kitchen. Number 5. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is a compact, battery-powered gadget that opens cans with a simple push of a button, no twisting or hand strength needed, making it especially helpful for older adults, people with arthritis, or anyone who prefers convenience. It uses a side-cutting blade so lids come off with smooth, safe edges, reducing the risk of cuts and making cleanup easier. The unit is cordless and lightweight, so you can use it anywhere, from your home kitchen to a camper or small apartment, and it's compact enough to store in a drawer rather than monopolizing countertop space. Users often praise its ease of use and safety features for everyday cooking tasks. On the downside, because it runs on AA batteries, frequent users may find themselves replacing batteries often, Also, it sometimes struggles or works slower with very large, dented, or oddly shaped cans, and the built-in magnet for lid removal can be hit or miss.